Hello and welcome back to another A690 Specialist Cars video. My name is Harvey and today I'm extremely delighted to present to you our 2018 BMW 420i M Sport xDrive. And I think we can all agree the car looks fantastic, and that's because it comes in a beautiful black metallic paint with the upgraded 18-inch grey alloys and privacy glass to finish the whole look off. It's also equipped with a 2-litre petrol engine that roughly produces 180 brake horsepower. And the specification of this vehicle is fantastic, and I can't wait to show you, but you'll have to watch this video in its full entirety to see what it has. So without any further ado, let me show you. And yes, this BMW right here is available for sale as of today. So what are you doing? Pick up that phone and leave a deposit today, because I know this one won't last long. There's not a better place you may buy a used BMW from. We have a BMW master technician that will check from the front bumper all the way to the back, making sure everything is mechanically sound. Any service requirements needed will be conducted by that master tech. And if there's any less than 9 months MOT on the certificate, we put a full 12 months on. How fantastic is that? But don't just take my word for it. We've got over 350 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. So quickly go check them out. You'll have to be fast to leave a deposit on this one, because I know this won't hang around long. And while we're at it, if you're watching on YouTube and love all things cars, if you click that subscribe button, it's completely free and it helps our channel grow. But once again, my name is Harvey and I'd like to thank you for watching another A690 Specialist Cars video.